What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Garreth Collins. We hit 5,000 subscribers for January. I want to thank all of you for the love and support. Let's see if we can hit 15,000 for February. As well as this is part 6 of the CBR rebuild. I will be finishing the bike in this video. I'm sure all of you have been dying to see that. So without further ado, let's get to work. Alright guys, so one of the reasons why this video has taken so long to upload is because one of the calipers on the other side was actually cracked. I did remove it, and you can see the crack right there. And so I was looking for a pair in the same color, but I couldn't find any, so I had to go with black. You guys already saw me change the calipers in the previous video. It's basically the same process, so all I'm going to do is snap my fingers in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, the calipers are installed. Now I can start assembling all the plastic pieces that go together on the fairings, and then I can install them on the bike. Alright guys, so most of you have been wondering, how do I install these C6 headlights? Because when you install them, they stick out at the back and you're not able to close the back cover. It's pretty simple. This bracket over here slides onto the headlights like that, and it gives it a bit of a gap at the back. So all I do with the bracket is I cut off the back piece and I make it flat with the bottom piece, and that way when you install the headlights it gives it a snug fit and you're able to close the back. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Alright guys, the headlights are connected and you saw how I installed those LEDs. Everything is working properly, but before I actually finish installing the fairings, I want to go ahead and install this Undertale as well as the integrated tail light, make sure that's working properly. And then I've got some rim tape or rim decals that I want to install. I think these are going to look absolutely insane. So let's get to work. Alright guys, that's actually the next day here. Installing those decals took a lot of my time yesterday. I spent about 5 hours installing them, but I think it was worth it because they look absolutely insane. Now there's only 2 things left to do. Let's go ahead and install the fairings as well as the extra decals that I got for the bike so that we can see what she looks like. Alright guys, so the CBR is 95% complete and it already looks so insane. All I need to do now is install knee grips, a tank pad, a fuel cap pad, as well as some decals to make the bike stand out a bit more. And then we'll have to take it out first thing in the morning because it's currently raining outside. Alright guys, so it is the next day here and it's still raining outside. Unfortunately, it will be raining the whole weekend, so I won't be able to ride the bike. I did promise that this video will be uploaded today, so I'll just have to post it without riding. So that's going to be a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out on future videos. Also guys, I have a new bike on the way. It's a 2012 ZX6R, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As well as follow me on Instagram so that you can get an inside scoop before YouTube. Until next time, peace out.